Welcome back to Leads Tomorrow, and as I said, in this video we're actually going to look at how to actually set up your first ad. Now, this is where we left off in the last video, so let's just get right into it. So for automotive brands that are just starting to get some, ads running, I actually recommend just going for website traffic. So, you can select leads or brand awareness, but I would suggest website traffic for your first ad. Now, right here, we're actually going to select search, because usually if, let's say you own a PPF or a wrap company, people search, wrap company New York, and you want to be in the search area display. So here you put your website. For right now, we're actually just gonna put a random one. Of course, here you would actually put your actual website, but this is just a demo, so we're just gonna go with this. And for the tracking conversion, we're actually gonna skip this right now. All right, now in this screen, we're gonna be setting up most of the stuff. So here you should name your campaign whatever you like. I'm just gonna put it demo 1, and leave this checked. And of course you're gonna enter another location, and so you can put United States. But here's the thing, what you should actually do is, if you own a PPF or a wrap company in New York, you should only put New York. So there you go. So another example would actually be, let's say you own a wrap company in Brooklyn. So what you could do is click on advanced search, click on radius, and then zoom in. And you click on pin mode, and then you just drop a pin right here. And you see, this way you're targeting Brooklyn in a specific radius, and you just click on save. All right, you skip this. Languages, obviously you leave English. And for right now, we're actually going to skip audiences, because if this is your first ad, you're not going to have any pre-saved audiences. I'm actually going to make another video about this in the future. So for your budget, I think you should just put, let's say you're just starting out, so put $10 max, or $25 if you actually want to, get the data in faster. And of course, you're going to leave clicks. And I think for the first time, you should really leave this, to maximize clicks for, your budget. For right now, we're actually going to skip over these, but we're going to actually put in the call extension. So the call extension is basically when somebody searches for a wrap company, they're going to go, in the search bar. And if your ad pops out, then if you put in a call extension, it will actually have the phone number right there, so somebody can click on it and actually call you directly, on the search. And that's basically it. All you have to do is click on save, and that's it. So we're actually going to click on save and continue. All right, so now we're actually going to set up the ad groups. So for right here, you actually just want to probably leave this or name it whatever you want. And as you can see, they actually recommended me some keywords because I put Apple. But when you put in your website and your product, it will actually recommend whatever you should put. But I actually recommend just coming up with a few keywords that you think people would search. So if you have a PPF company, then you should put paint protection film. You should put words like that. So we're just going to click on save and continue, but you should really play around with this and come up with your own words because this is not good. You should not put this, obviously. And this is where you actually have to put in what the people will see. So as you can see, this is the ad that everyone will see. And as you can see, this is the call extension that we added earlier. So for your headlines, you should put something like, for example, PPF New York. And then for your other headlines, you should describe, what you're offering. So maybe you have, a paint protection film plus wrap. Maybe you have a clear bra, maybe something like that. So your offers and, stuff like that, you go and you put it right here. In the description, you could put something like, a small little detailed description of your shop, maybe, where they can find it and stuff like that. So basically that is it. I would actually recommend putting, so you can actually, done and create new ad. Of course, it's going to actually tell me that, I have to add more. So you should fill out all of these headlines and then move on to the next one. But you should create a few of these ads and then you'll see that, which ones perform better, and you can leave those and then you turn off the ones that are not performing. So we're just gonna click on done, save, and you see you come here and you can add another ad and you can put search responsive ads, but this is, for another video. This is just a quick overview that you can, follow along and make your first ad. So when you're done with this, it will take you to the billing page, which I cannot show you because it has information, but all you have to do is, fill out your card and stuff like that and click on run ad, and that's pretty much it, and you're good to go. One thing that I actually want to say is don't expect too much from your first ad, and another thing is you should really start off slow. So maybe put $10 at first and then scale it up. See which ads perform better, which ones don't, and then just, cancel those. I'm actually going to make another video on that and how to actually see which ads are performing and which are not. And yeah, that's it for this video, and hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.